Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I will be sharing with you my most favorite Chinese dishes of all times, that is the bao buns. So keep on watching the video. I am sure you will, if you follow this recipe, you will get perfectly like the ones you get in restaurants, those soft fluffy somewhat sweet kind of bread, and it tastes heavenly. So keep on watching. Without further blabbering, let's get into the video. For making bao buns, you have to use yeast. So if you are confused about what yeast to use, how you activate them, or how you proof your bread dough, then I have a full detailed video on my YouTube channel. I will link it in the I button somewhere in the video, so you can go and check it out. In a bowl, add in all-purpose flour or refined flour, approximately 3 to 4 cups. Now to this, add in about 2 big tablespoons of milk powder. Next, add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Next is yeast. So I am using instant yeast from the brand Yellow Crown. This contains 7 grams of yeast and it comes in sachets. I have a full detailed video on how to use yeast and how to activate them. I will link it in the I button above so you can check them out. Now add in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix everything well into the flour mixture and now add in some oil. Combine everything well till the flour mixture looks crumbly. Next, add water, lukewarm water, little by little, and knead it into the flour. Do not add water once and for all because you may not need all the remaining water. So, knead it into a perfect dough. Lastly, add in some oil and combine everything well. The more you knead, the more you give time for the gluten to develop into the dough. Now smear it with some more oil and then keep it covered with an aluminium foil or a cling wrap for a minimum of 20 to 25 minutes in a warm place. I generally keep it in the microwave oven. After 20 to 25 minutes, you will see that the dough has almost risen to double its volume. Now, all you have to do is knock off the extra air that has developed over time, and the dough will come back to its original shape. Now make 2 roundels of it, and with the first ball of dough you have to roll it out. Now the thickness will depend on the fluffiness that you want for your bao buns. I like my bao buns to be pretty much big than the original size so that I can stuff more stuffing into it. Now you have to make round shape. You can use a round cutter if you have, but the shape depends on the size that you like. To the individual roundels, you have to smear it with oil and fold it in half and keep it onto a parchment paper. Each of the roundels should be kept in individual parchment paper. Repeat the same process with the other dough as well. give it a smoother surface, you have to roll out the dough and keep it in individual parchments. Now it's time for second proofing. So again, cover it with an aluminium foil or a cling wrap and keep it aside in a warm place for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once your time is up, your bao buns will look something like this. Fluffy, see, it is almost double its size, and this is the time for steaming. Now for steaming, if you have a steamer, well and good. Otherwise, what you can do is that in a karai add sufficient quantity of water and then place over a perforated plate. Once the water starts boiling, it's now time to add in your bao buns. So add them in. Cover it with a lid and cook it on a high flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the time is up, you open the lid and you see the telltale signs are that the dough will not be sticky and it will look like bread sort of texture. That is when you know that your bao buns are ready. See the inside of it, it looks exactly like a bread dough. Super soft and fluffy like those you get in restaurants. Now what you can do is that if you have made extra bao buns, you can wrap it in aluminium foil and keep it in the fridge. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you are new to my channel, then click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it so that you get notifications every time I post a new video. And there are some great recipes coming up next, so stay tuned for that. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.